Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate margin trading risk controls with Webull. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate margin trading risk controls on Webull, start by logging into your Webull account. Once logged in, navigate to the bottom menu and tap on the home icon. Look for the Markets tab at the bottom of your screen and select it. Next, find the Account tab in the lower right corner and click on it. Within the Accounts section, locate the Margin option and select it. Here, you will see the details of your margin account. To set risk controls, look for the Settings or Risk Controls option. Tap on Risk Controls to access the margin settings. You will find options to customize your risk parameters, such as maintenance margin and buying power. Adjust these settings according to your trading preferences and risk tolerance. Take a moment to review the implications of the changes you are making. Ensure that you thoroughly understand margin requirements and potential risks. Once satisfied with your settings, confirm the changes by tapping Save or Apply. You will receive a confirmation that your margin trading. It is advisable to regularly monitor these settings as market conditions change. Make sure to keep your trading strategy aligned with the risk controls you have set. Additionally, consider reviewing Webull's educational resources on margin trading for further insights. Now you're equipped to efficiently activate and manage margin trading risk controls on Webull. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.